Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eats. Today we're going to be making eggs Benedict and we're going to be using a blender for the hollandaise, which is much easier. Let's get started.
So first let's bring a couple cups of water to a rolling boil and then melt 1 stick of butter. We're going to separate our eggs and use the egg yolks for our hollandaise. I'm starting with 3 here. We're going to add our egg yolks to a blender, salt to taste, and a ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. Now we're going to add a few drops of lemon and we're going to add in our melted butter slowly on low power. Next we're going to add our eggs into a sieve to get rid of any extra egg white. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of any kind of vinegar and then stir the water into a whirlpool. Add the egg into the very center and let it sit for 3 minutes. Take out your eggs and add them to a paper towel to get rid of any extra moisture. I decided to cook some turkey bacon and then I'm going to add it onto my bread. You can use English muffins as well. Next I'm going to add my poached eggs. And then I'm going to take our hollandaise mixture and add it on top of the poached eggs. Now I'm going to sprinkle some red chili powder and that's it. Our eggs Benedict is finished. It's super buttery, it's beautiful, and it tastes great. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for the next video on 1 Minute Eats.